Hello everybody, we've been doing a garden project earlier this year. Spring started late but things are finally happening. This is my particular project. So I've got some nasturtiums which are edible flowers and can be used in salads, and some salad greens. These are cut and come again, and we've got some peppers, more nasturtiums, and here there's some radishes. These aren't quite ready yet, they need to be poking up, so probably in another week or so. The radishes take about 3 to 4 weeks to be ready for picking. Underneath I also have some lettuce seedlings as well. They will get thinned out at some point in time and used in salads as well as microgreens. And I've got some salad greens in the greenhouse as well, and I'll take you to see the greenhouse now. This is the greenhouse. It's a bit untidy at the moment because we've been having a lot of work done this year, and our workman has left some of his stuff in here. But we've got some tomatoes coming up. These are Alicante tomatoes, and we've got some plum tomatoes over here, and jalapenos and various other chilies. The eggshells round here stop the slugs and snails from attacking the plants. We also have some lettuces propagating here. These are butterhead lettuces, and some other salad greens in here doing something gradually, and some other little lettuces which I've potted up, and some sweet peppers in here, and one or two other bits and pieces. Over here we have some kale that Dan's recently planted seeds, and these will propagate and these will overwinter, ready to pick in the hungry gap season that you always get in January and February. We have a seed potato plant. We call this a wheat potato because it was left over from last year's crop and it's suddenly appeared. And we've got a few, these were spring onions that we planted. They're doing something. They've been overwintering, and we're going to be planting some root seeds this weekend, all being well. Some carrots and parsnips, also some beans and peas, and some beetroot as well. And over here we have a rather large rhubarb plant. I'm Yorkshire, and you're not Yorkshire unless you've got your rhubarb plant. That's ready for picking now as well. We've got a blueberry plant here that needs repotting. We've got some garlic which has sprouted up. We've got quite a bit of mess that we need to tidy up here, but we've got some lavender and we've got some rosemary here. But again, the pots need weeding, and we possibly might have to move those herbs into bigger pots. I'm also going to be doing some more kitchen herbs as well. I like my herbs very much. And here we've got some black raspberries, and they're native to America but they seem to grow quite well here. And we've also in the far corner got some red currants and white currants. They usually crop quite well. That won't be for a while longer though. As we've had a late season, it might even be July time before they're ready. And up here of course we've got our old quince tree. We had a really good crop last year, so fingers crossed it'll do well again. It had been sick at one point, but we seem to have given it enough TLC to recover. I'm going to pick some of my homegrown salad leaves. I'm only going to cut individual leaves off so they have a chance to flourish. This is spinach, baby spinach. If it was left to get a little larger, you could use it quite well in curries and soups and stews. There's a wide variety of salad leaves here. different tastes and textures, and some rocket as well. I want to pick them before they become too large. A lot of these salad leaves are quite expensive in the shops because they're classed as gourmet. We try to grow gourmet varieties, such as the carrots we're growing are not the big carrots, they're the little globe-shaped ones. And the beetroot we're growing are heritage beetroot. So we've got candy stripe, and we've got golden, and we've got the standard red beetroot. And that's it for today. So I'm going to take these indoors and give them a good wash in a little bit of running water until they're all clean.